Welcome home to Amalfi Ridge, located just 4 minutes from the Collier Community Park in Chartiers Valley School District. This community features beautiful wooded home sites on sidewalk-lined streets with walkout basements. Home designs in Amalfi Ridge can boast up to 4,600 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and 3-car garages. Open concept floor plans and up to 9-foot ceilings with all the space in between. You can turn those flex space into a playroom for kids, add a home office, or finish the basement for extra entertaining space. Amalfi Ridge sits just 7 minutes from the Chartiers Valley schools, making it convenient to pick up those kiddos from sports practice or get to that evening band concert on time. For all your shopping needs, the Chartiers Valley Shopping Center is about 10 minutes away. There's a Giant Eagle, Home Depot, a movie theater, and so much more. And you're just about 15 minutes to Robinson, where you have shopping, dining, the Cinemark movie theater, and one of our favorite restaurants, Ditka's. Amazing paddle steaks, wedge salads, and you have got to try their espresso martini. For you outdoor enthusiasts, Amalfi Ridge is located near the Montour Trail and Collier Community Park. This brand new park is home to its own walking path, playground, soccer fields, roller hockey, basketball courts, a community center, and more. And if you love to travel or have to travel for work, the Pittsburgh International Airport is just about 20 minutes away. And everything downtown Pittsburgh offers is also just 20 minutes to get to museums, sporting events, concerts, riverboating, and so much more. Whether you're relocating from out of town or making a move locally, you'll find the open flowing floor plans combined with the highly desirable location and all that it offers will surely exceed your expectation. Today's featured home by Maronda Homes is the Truman. This traditional yet modern presidential home can be designed with over 4,400 finished square feet of living space, 5 bedrooms, the convenience of a first floor bedroom, and a 3-car garage. And you will love the gorgeous, dramatic 2-story family room with amazing 20-foot ceilings. So let's go check it out. As we enter, there is a great flex space to the right, perfect for a home office, a sitting room, or even a playroom, so you can close that door. The kitchen comes fully equipped with a luxury island, spacious corner pantry, and this particular model also features the sunroom bump out off the kitchen. But this gorgeous family room is the showstopper. The wall of windows, center fireplace, and open flow are just stunning. And here's that first floor bedroom and full bath. The second floor has the remaining bedrooms, laundry room, and include this beautiful primary suite featuring a sitting area, double bowl sinks, a separate toilet, amazing shower and tub, and an incredible walk-in closet. The remaining 3 bedrooms and full bath offer space for everyone. On the lower level, you can opt for a finished basement to maximize your entertaining space. In this model, they have finished the lower level, including the room below that sunroom. There's also a central wet bar and a full bath and tons of storage. The way this home is positioned on the lot allows for the deck off the family room and a patio below it off the basement. Depending on lot availability, it may not be a walkout basement if you're on the low side or the high side. In that case, it would just be a lower level game room with no walkout. Maronda Homes has over 50 years of history building with the highest quality standards. Their homes feature energy-saving designs, a peace of mind warranty, and added incentives if you use their preferred lender for your mortgage. Currently, the incentive with Maronda Homes is a finished game room. Now remember, that might not include the full bath that was in the model or that additional room that was finished under the sunroom. Prefer a different floor plan? There are so many to choose from that you can customize to your needs. And remember, Chartiers Valley School District serves Collier Township, Bridgeville, Scott Township, and Heidelberg. So if you're interested in any more information on those communities, feel free to reach out or check out the other videos on this channel. We have so many people contacting us who are moving in Pittsburgh, and we absolutely love it. Honestly, if you're moving or relocating here to Pittsburgh, we can make that transition so much easier on you. Until next time, I hope to show you around town.